All right, here we are, Signature Performance. It's Daniel here from Costa Mesa, California. Thank you guys for coming back to the YouTube channel. Excited to show you a different truck here, right? We show you a lot of 2500 HDs here, 3500s, different versions. And here's the what I'll call the baby, a 1500, right? It's a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. This truck's a two-wheel drive, crew cab, short bed, and she looks nice. I don't know. This is what you see a lot of here in California. You may not see it out in Texas and Florida, but definitely a California truck. This is what we call a pre-runner truck, right? You can see the fiberglass front fenders, fiberglass rear bed sides, and what did we do, right? So a lot of this truck was built already, came to us, and it had some noises in the front end. A lot of guys are getting ready for desert season, sand season, so we're starting to see a lot of those trucks come back in. If you're that guy, make sure you call, get your truck in, get a retort, go through it. Hopefully we don't find anything, but if we do, we're better to find it now than you find it in the desert. So that's what this customer did. He brought it in for basic maintenance. Say go through my front end. So up front, this truck has a Baja kits long travel kit. So it's got a boxed lower control arm and King 2.5 coilovers with the resi, and then it's got the matching Baja kits upper control arm. This kit does clear a 35-inch tire without fiberglass, but because it has fiberglass, we did put some new rubber on it for them. This is a 37 1250 17 Nitto Ridge Grappler. The wheel is the ProComp 5034. It's all black, came in with some black lugs. So as far as the front end, you'll notice that it looks really clean. We went through everything top to bottom, replaced the upper control arm bushings. We replaced the uniballs, and then we pulled the coilovers out and completely rebuilt the coilovers. They were leaking on both sides. So we do all the coilover rebuild here. Went through and did all that. And then the last piece of it was the tie rods. So we replaced the tie rods with some Moog outer tie rods as well, as you can see there. Really, the point of this video was to show you that it's not just build your truck and go, right? There's some maintenance things that down the road, depending how you're using your truck. This is a really cool, clean truck. We also did the alignment on this. And the last piece that we did was gears. So we do re-gearing here as well. So a lot of lifted trucks, like these new diesels, they come with so much power and torque. You're not really doing a lot of re-gearing. But when you get into the half-ton stuff with a little bit less power, you get up to a 37, 38-inch tire. Even some guys are squeezing 40s in there, right? Re-gearing is definitely something you want to do to get that power back, to get that low-end power back. So we did a 488 gear ratio on this truck. So if you're getting ready for desert season, you just want to have your truck looked at, it's a great thing to do. So feel free to give us a call, 714-850-0060, or you can always go to signatureptw.com and schedule your appointment.